Bool is not subscriptable error when not indexing into a bool, Python. I have the following function. I believe this is returning a tuple that looks like true, loop over, when I is. I then try to index into it with. But this raises an error. Also, code equals plus dash. Why is this error being raised when I'm indexing into a tuple?
The problem is that when the characters like plus or dash are reached, you are essentially returning boolean but are accessing if an underscore loop I1 equals loop starting column nonetheless. You must return a consistent return type for the second for loop code to work. For X, look at the comments below to your code.
This is the case only when you input something that isn't or comma, because it would got to the second if loop underscore started column, and default if the inner condition doesn't pass, it would just return true, so that is why it doesn't work.
What did you init the var loop underscore started as? Or in another word, what value does loop underscore started have when the function have not been executed? If loop underscore started is false before the function is executed, then the function would return false directly. A quick fix would be adding an empty string after all Boolean return statements.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.